you're happy to hear something, you say, "Ha mi tolletje sin a chlointjen." I'm happy to hear that. Ha mi tolletje sin a chlointjen. Ha mi tolletje sin a chlointjen.
Cymar y haw o'ch a triana. Jeta neach.
Ja neach. Haw beruracum.
Ha mi tolletje sin a chlointjen. Jail mo per y hawn.
Rhwn ar an yn office.
Je neach. Good news. Je neach. Je neach. Bad news would be droch neach. Droch neach. Ha oper uracum. I have a new job. Ha oper uracum. Ha oper uracum.
And the new job was rúnere an an office, a secretary in an office.
To say you're sorry to hear something, you say, "Ha mi tulich sin a chlointjen." I'm sorry to hear that. Ha mi tulich sin a chlointjen. Ha mi tulich sin a chlointjen.
Catje wel iain.
Wat toepestekken? Ach, ben jij kerst geleor?
Tja tjaar. Catje welle.
Hoegje, agus vdische a chas. Hai aan zijn hospital.
Oh, iain, boch. Féimes sin go le chaiad dit.
Hallo, jeta neach gegaivi.
Wat toepestek iain mag kra?
Je hachit.
Vdische a chas.
Ha mi tulich sin a chlointjen.
Tupest. An accident. Tupest. Tupest. Va tupest ikke. He had an accident. Va tupest ikke. Va tupest ikke.
Je ha kiar. What's wrong? Je ha kiar. Je ha kiar. And the reply was, Huche. He fell. Huche. Huche.
Vrishe a chas. He broke his leg. Vrishe a chas. Vrishe a chas.
Féime sin a gáil le chaiad. We must go and see him. Féime sin a gáil le chaiad. Féime sin a gáil le chaiad.
Je hacher. What happened? Je hacher. Je hacher. To ask whether someone heard about something, you say, "An cóla shiv mo dhéin," followed by whatever it is the news is about. An cóla shiv mo dhéin. An cóla shiv mo dhéin. The familiar form is an cóla tú mo dhéin. An cóla tú mo dhéin.
Gola tu ma jen ian. Braad maati.
Wel, chwle. Chwle me cyfel iain, agus elas at y falafle chile.
Se kalla ma jen sko.
An cóla to my Ian, brahar Mavi. Did you hear about Ian, Mary's brother?
A falav le chéile. Going out with each other. A falav le chéile. A falav le chéile. Chwle. Chwle me go vil Ian agus elasit a falav le chéile. Yes, I heard that Ian and Elizabeth are going out with each other.
The man added, "She Callum a Yinshko." It was Callum who told me. To ask whether someone has heard something, you say, "An coolatu," followed by "Guvil." For example, "An coolatu guviliat atolla fosig." Have you heard that they are going to marry? An coolatu guviliat atolla fosig. An coolatu guviliat atolla fosig.
Chullig mi Ian agus Elisech go chéile a roidd.
Oh, chwala mi gyfel at y dol o ffosig.
Fel, ha mi talich diolch loinging.
Chwalami gyfiliad a dolafosig. I heard that they're going to marry.
And the reply, "Ha mi tolichtje a chlointjen." I'm pleased to hear it.
To ask if someone heard that someone got something, you begin with "An coolatu gunduer." An coolatu gunduer. An coolatu gunduer runet car oor. Did you hear that Rachel got a new car?
Hallo, weet het. Ja, dol.
Yn cwal dwi'n dweud rhan eich car yw'r
Chachwla. Jane shares a hand.
fiesta, ha mi ysmyrnioch ar.
Chachwla. Jen shows a helm. No. What kind is it? Chachwla. Jen shows a helm. Chachwla. Jen shows a helm.
And Myrat replied, "Fiesta ha mi ysmwynachig." A fiesta, I think. It's your turn to have a go, using the informal forms.
What's your news? Jetaneach. Jetaneach.
Just the usual. Dierig an avist. Dierig an avist.
Is there anything new? Avel kalas ur. Avel kalas ur.
Nothing new at all. Chanil kaal as ur. Chanil kaal as ur.